Hello everybody, I am Abhishek and welcome to my channel. As I promised you yesterday that along with my physics lecture I am going to start polity also. Therefore from today my first lecture of polity will start and I will make short video so that you don't get bored and you watch the video. Therefore let's start today. In polity the first basic thing is democracy. Which country is called a democratic country? Therefore we will study about democracy and from next lecture we will go into the deeply concepts of polity. Definition: we all know that democracy is government of the people, by the people and for the people. It means that democracy is a form of government in which rulers will be elected by the people only. So there are four or five terms: form of government, rulers, people, election. Therefore there are certain provisions of the democracy of a democratic country. The country which will be following those features will be called a democratic country. Otherwise it's not a purely democratic country. So certain features we will see now. The first thing is that we have elected our representatives, so all the final decision making power must be rest with those representatives only. It means that we will take an example. Pakistan, what happened in 2002, I think. परवेज मुशर्रफ, यू ऑल नो अबाउट हिम. उसने क्या किया कि वहां पर जो डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्टेड जो गवर्नमेंट थी उसको हटा करके खुद को रूलर डिक्लेयर कर दिया. और वहां जो भी डिसीजंस होते थे वो एक्सटर्नली अफेक्टेड होते थे. दैट इज नॉट अ प्योरली डेमोक्रेसी. इन डेमोक्रेसी all the decision making process must be rest with those elective representatives only. First thing is clear. Second is that election I talked to you. So election must be free and fair. It means that ruling party must have also a chance of losing the election. Suppose in 2014 BJP won the election, in 2019 also BJP won, but in next election if BJP won't work nicely in 2024 there must be a chance of losing BJP also. This is a democracy. ऐसा नहीं, like for example in China what happened, in every 5 years there is a election, but वहाँ एक पार्टी है कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, वो डिसाइड करती है कि who are going to represent in the election, who are going to fight in the election. That's not a purely democracy. In Mexico टिल 2000 6 years पे वहाँ इलेक्शन होते थे, लेकिन वहाँ एक पार्टी थी PRI, कंटिन्यूस वही विन कर रही थी. तो दैट इज नॉट अ प्योरली डेमोक्रेसी. इन डेमोक्रेसी एवरी पार्टी हैव ए चांस ऑफ विनिंग द इलेक्शंस, एवरी पार्टी हैज ए चांस ऑफ लूजिंग द इलेक्शन. दिस इज द सेकेंड फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. थर्ड, मैंने बोला कि पीपल कास्ट देयर वोट. हु आर दोज पीपल? Every adult citizen in India, it's more than age of 18 years, have one vote and each vote will have a value of 1. It means that जितने भी एडल्ट सिटीजन हैं सबको एक एक वोट देना है. लेकिन इट्स नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट. ये एक फंडामेंट राइट टू वोट इज नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट्स. वी विल डिस्कस इट व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फंडामेंटल राइट्स. बट दे कैन कास्ट अ वोट. But a country like Saudi Arabia, till 2005, what was the case there? Women had no right to cast their vote also there. So it's not a purely democracy. आपके एक एडल्ट सिटीजन है, उसको वोट देने का, वो वोट डाल सकता है. If it is following then only a purely democratic. And the last thing is that हमने एक इलेक्टिव को आपने क्या किया, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को इलेक्ट किया है. देयरफॉर गवर्नमेंट जो भी रूल्स बना रही है दैट मस्ट बी विद इन लिमिट्स सेट बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉज एंड सिटीजन्स राइट. इट मीन्स दैट डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर मैं अगर कोई पार्टी जीत करके इलेक्शन में आई है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जो मर्जी हो कर लो, जो मर्जी हो कर लो. आपको एक रूल्स के लिमिट्स में रहना पड़ेगा. जो सिटीजन्स के राइट्स हैं आपको उस राइट्स को देख के ही कुछ रूल्स बनाना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज वी हैव अ जुडिशियरी, वी कैन गो टू द कोर्ट्स and we can fight against our government also. So this is the democracy, and fortunately we live in the country where all these provisions are followed. Therefore our country is a purely democratic country. Thanks for today. That's all. We will discuss more in the next lecture. I think that you will like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.